How to test a boat alternator with a multimeter. Are you curious about how to check if your boat alternator is working properly? Knowing how to test your alternator can save you from unexpected power issues on the water. Let's walk through the steps to use a multimeter for this important task. First, preparation is key. Make sure your boat is unplugged from shore power. This prevents any interference or damage to your multimeter. Next, check that your battery is in good shape and fully charged. A weak battery can give you misleading results during your test. Now, let's start with the initial voltage test. Set your multimeter to direct current volts, usually at a range of 20 volts or higher. Connect the multimeter leads to the battery terminals, positive to positive and negative to negative. Record the voltage reading. A fully charged battery should show around 12.6 volts. Next, it's time for the alternator output test. Start your engine and let it run at a moderate speed, about 1,000 revolutions per minute. With the multimeter still connected to the battery, check the voltage again. The alternator should increase the voltage to around 14.5 volts. This indicates that it is effectively charging the battery. Now, let's perform a load test. Turn on all direct current loads on your boat, such as lights and the radio. Keep the multimeter connected and observe the voltage. The alternator should maintain a voltage of at least 0.5 volts higher than your initial reading. If the voltage drops below this level, it may mean the alternator is not supplying enough current for your boat's electrical needs. For those who want to go a step further, you can conduct a current output test. If your multimeter has an amp clamp feature, use it to measure the alternator's current output. Place the clamp around the positive battery cable and turn on all direct current loads. The reading will show how many amps the alternator is delivering, helping you determine if it meets your boat's power requirements. By following these steps, you can effectively test your boat alternator using a multimeter. Regular checks can help maintain your boat's electrical systems and ensure reliable operation while you are out on the water.